So, at first glance, this reading is kind of disturbing, right? I mean, isn't comparing Jesus to a thief a little bit problematic? Doesn't the New Testament know that stealing is prohibited and that thieves are doing something bad? Well, of course it does. But it's a bit shocking to see this image here that the Son of Man will come like a thief. However, when we read this gospel reading against the background of the Hebrew Bible, we can see that the important thing here is actually not the thief image who comes to take what isn't his, but rather the thief that comes in the night. If we look at this gospel reading against the background of Exodus chapter 22, verses 2 and 3, we see there kind of strange case that helps to illuminate the gospel reading. We read there that if a thief comes to a home in the night and is killed by the homeowner, then the homeowner is not guilty of murder. But a homeowner who catches and kills a thief in broad daylight, then that homeowner is guilty of murder. So in other words, a thief who breaks into a home during the day is qualitatively different, according to Jewish law, than a thief that comes at night. And the question is why? I mean, really, does timing make such a big difference in terms of whether a killing is self-defense or homicide? And the difference, according to Jewish commentators, has to do with the intention of the thief. And that timing, day or night, can tell us something about the thief's intention. During the day, it is presumed that the homeowner can clearly assess the intention of the thief as someone who is coming to steal property, and it is prohibited to kill in order to preserve property. However, a thief who comes at night, that is a frightening, confusing, unclear occurrence. When the homeowner who is awoken from his sleep cannot clearly assess whether this is just a thief or whether it is someone who is coming willing to kill the homeowner. So the image in Matthew's gospel is one clearly informed by the Hebrew Bible. This is an image of uncertainty, of unpredictability, of a special kind of vulnerability that comes in the night. Now, of course, the solution of watchfulness, of staying awake in order to be prepared, isn't a really viable or healthy option in terms of facing real physical threats of house break-ins. But the image in the gospel becomes even more powerful when we read it against the background of the real physical dilemma of the homeowner confronted by a thief in the night provided by Exodus.